Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Tyler, and today I will be showing you the latest version of our best-selling 3D printer, the Monoprice Select Mini Pro. From its previous model, there have been a number of changes, a number of improvements that have helped to assist you in your overall experience with this unit. One of which is a removable heat bed to help make replacing the build surface and removing your projects much easier. Other features would include a new heated bed which routes the ribbon cables from its own separate heating plate away from any of the moving parts, an LCD touchscreen to help eliminate the need for a control knob, an all-aluminum body making it ultra lightweight, easy to move, and better looking, as well as an inductive sensor to help with auto bed leveling. Furthermore, the printer is now featuring the ability to adjust the Z height on the fly. So, if you're in the middle of a print, you will be able to adjust the height of the nozzle if you feel that it is offset a bit too high or too low in the middle of the print. Out of the box, the unit is ready to print. You will just want to run the new auto leveling function first to do so. Plug in the unit and navigate to the Move menu where you will have all of the Axis Move functions. In the Z-axis menu, there is a center sub-menu to access the auto bed leveling settings. This will display the currently set Z-axis offset, which out of the box should not need to be modified. At the bottom of the menu will have a button to initiate auto bed leveling, and the unit will be checking all four corners using the inductive sensors to calculate the distance between the nozzle and the bed. It then stores the information in the bed memory. Congratulations, you're ready to print. We hope you enjoy the printer. I'm Tyler with Monoprice, and I thank you for watching.
Introducing the DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro. It comes complete with XYZware Pro, a comprehensive 3D slicing software. This software lets you adjust your own print settings so you can optimize print quality. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro also supports third-party slicing. Besides printing from your computer via USB, you can also upload files to an SD card and print directly. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro supports the use of third-party filaments, so you can print from a greater range of suppliers. To automate the printing process and increase print quality, the printer supports auto-loading and auto-calibration. With a 5.9 inches cubed build volume, you can create larger prints. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro has a max print speed of 100 millimeters per second, making prints fast. Without sacrificing print quality, you can also use an optional 0.3 millimeter extruder. This allows you to get high-detailed 50 micron resolution. With XYZ Printing, you have all the tools to start your 3D printing journey, from slicing to 3D design software, online tutorials to customer service. And with a 1-year warranty, we've got you covered for any creative adventure.
The Voxel is a great beginner 3D printer, but it's very different from Monoprice's other 3D printers. The Voxel comes completely assembled, ready to start printing out of the box. The unit is fully enclosed with clear panels and doors allowing you to view the print's progress. The 8GB internal memory allows for easy storage of prints, and transferring files to the printer is done through Wi-Fi or USB drive. The nozzle is easily removed by using the quick release levers. The side panel is also removable, allowing access to the filament compartment. Here you will find the filament storage and feeder mechanism. There is a removable build plate, which is flexible for easy removal of finished prints. The bed is also heated with a build area of 150 millimeters cubed or 5.9 inches in each direction. The Voxel is calibrated out of the box, but should you need to adjust the first layer, calibration is found in the settings menu. Bye.